Exploring the latest in AI advancements. AI versus humans. Who will win the race for superintelligence? Artificial intelligence is one of the most fascinating and transformative technologies of our time. But as AI advancements continue to accelerate, questions arise about the relationship between AI and humans. Who will win the race for superintelligence? AI is already transforming industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. But as AI gets more advanced, some experts are worried that it could pose a threat to human dominance. On the other hand, AI is also helping humans in many ways. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. But when it comes to superintelligence, some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to a future where humans are no longer the dominant species on Earth. So, who will win the race for superintelligence? Will it be AI or humans? The race for superintelligence is a complex topic, and there are many factors to consider. On one hand, AI is advancing at an exponential rate, with breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. On the other hand, humans have a unique advantage when it comes to creativity, empathy, and intuition. At the same time, some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence in key areas like pattern recognition and decision-making. This could lead to a future where AI and humans work together, but where AI takes on many of the tasks that were previously done by humans. Ultimately, the future of AI and humans is a complex and fascinating topic that will continue to shape the world we live in. Expert. One thing is certain. As AI continues to evolve, it will change the way we live and work in ways that we can't even imagine. The key is to stay informed and to be prepared for the changes that are coming. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Talkin'. Be sure to subscribe to AI Futurist for more insights on the latest AI advancements and their implications for society. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome and epic AI Futurist content.